What if your career wasn't just about making a living, but about saving lives every single day? Meet the air traffic controller, the unseen guardian of the skies. From directing takeoffs to guiding planes through turbulent weather, air traffic controllers are the nerve center of modern aviation. By the end of this video, you'll know what it takes to become an air traffic controller, the challenges of the job, and why it's one of the most critical and high-paying careers out there. Let's dive in and explore this high-stakes profession. So, what exactly does an air traffic controller do? At its core, it's about ensuring the safety and efficiency of aircraft movement in the skies and on the ground. Air traffic controllers guide pilots during takeoff, landing, and while navigating through crowded airspace. They manage everything from flight paths and altitudes to coordinating emergency landings and avoiding mid-air collisions. Every decision they make, often in seconds, can affect the lives of hundreds of people. Becoming an air traffic controller requires sharp focus, rapid decision-making, and a cool head under pressure. First, you'll need excellent communication skills to relay clear instructions to pilots. Attention to detail is critical for monitoring multiple aircraft at once while maintaining safety. To get started, most controllers undergo rigorous training through FAA-approved programs, followed by extensive on-the-job practice at a control tower or center. You'll also need to pass medical and psychological evaluations to ensure you're fit for the demands of the role. Let's talk about compensation. Air traffic controllers are among the highest-paid professionals without requiring a college degree. The average salary starts around $90,000 per year and can climb to $150,000 or more with experience and specialization. Controllers also enjoy comprehensive benefits, including retirement plans, health insurance, and generous paid time off. It's a demanding job, but the financial rewards reflect the responsibility it carries. So, how do you become an air traffic controller? Step 1. Apply to the FAA's Air Traffic Collegiate Training Initiative, AT-CTI, or join as a direct hire. Step 2. Pass the Air Traffic Selection and Training AT-SAT exam, which tests your cognitive and decision-making abilities. Step 3. Complete training at the FAA Academy in Oklahoma City, where you'll learn the ins and outs of controlling air traffic. And Step 4. Begin working as a trainee controller, where you'll refine your skills under the guidance of seasoned professionals. Of course, being an air traffic controller isn't for everyone. It's a high-pressure job that demands focus, even during long shifts. Fatigue can be a real concern, as you'll be managing complex situations for hours at a time. There's also the emotional toll of handling emergencies or high-stakes situations. But for those who thrive under pressure, the challenges become part of the thrill of mastering this critical profession. So, is air traffic control the right career for you? If you're calm under pressure, enjoy solving problems, and want to make a tangible difference every day, it might just be your perfect match. I've included links in the description for FAA resources, AT-CTI programs, and tips for succeeding in this career path. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep exploring the world of hidden jobs together.